Go like this. No, not me. Like you're blowing out a birthday cake.
I like cake. Cake's yummy.
What sort of cake?
Any sort of cake is yum.
Really?
I like lemon slice cake.
Shane loves lemon slice cake too.
Yeah, I like lemon slice cake.
Oh, yes, you do.
I like lemon cake. Lemon slice.
But when they make a lemon slice in a loaf pan and they slice it.
Cake slice.
Yeah, lemon slice.
I don't really care for cake much.
Oh, you're a hater.
I like orange cake.
A little bit.
No, I like orange cake.
Shane loves it. Flourless orange.
Mate, don't forget the dentist shop, mate.
The what?
You get the dentist shop.
Open a cake shop.
Open a cake shop, mate. That's what you want.
Yeah, I got a special recipe for there's a special recipe I use in the butter when I make cake.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, I'm sure you got a special.
What's the special ingredient, Jacob?
Love.
So good morning on this nice sunny.
No, it is sunny. Sun's out.
It's sunny now.
It's wet and miserable.
Freezing day.
Blowing smoke out of my mouth. Not smoke, fog.
Especially with wet ground. So what's going on, Shane?
Doing the measurements because you're gonna put a thing on this and turn it into a poster. That's what's going on.
What thing are you putting on it? You gotta explain to people. People don't know what's in your head.
Because we had to put these in to get the paint thing on. Just already. Just to keep that solid.
Yeah.
So now we're going to put the four ply on here. Put another thing there. And then attach four ply to the outside of it. And then we can paint posters up on it. And it's just the thing. We'll probably do one here as well. Oh, sake. That's
That's what's happening.
Shay's day ruined.
it is my day.
It's so cold to get wet today, isn't it?
Yep.
Not the day. A nice top of 8 degrees.
Is that what it is?
They say 12, but it's only getting to 8.
You recording?
Yeah, I'm recording.
This is so everyone knows that who the real caring relationship is.
Good?
Yeah. There you go.
I feel like they help me see. It's actually in real life. Got your pants?
My pants. I like your glasses.
Thanks. Measuring.
I'm gonna come towards you a bit.
Measuring. Clamping. Sawing.
Yeah, this one, I should have measured that correctly. Alright, you're pass me that marker, will you?
See that?
Professional.
You see what?
Nothing.
What do you see? You didn't go far enough.
Oh, you do.
You know,
Filming you.
embarrassing me.
Huh? You wish. Jellyfish.
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 He did it again.
Oh,
We had to use the backside of the pen.
Are we soaring?
I saw that one coming from a mile away.
Is your dad a carpenter, Jacob?
Steve is a carpenter, yeah.
Steve?
Yeah, good old Steve.
Yeah. Disgusting.
that's it. Fits, eh?
It's perfect.
Oh, what? What am I doing? Just cut.
Just cut the.
I don't think you can say that on YouTube, Leanne.
Oh.
You're gonna get us demonetized. Do you want another one?
Yeah, we want another one. You recording this?
I'm recording it. Oh, Shane. Ugh.
Alright.
Jacob, do you get a colder head?
I got a real cold head. Feel it. It's freezing.
It is. Oh, it's very cold.
Yeah. I don't have much of a brain to keep warm.
Why
so.
don't you wear a beanie? in winter?
I'll do sometimes. Sometimes I'll wear a beanie.
See,
Yeah, I don't know.
well, my head's too big to wear a beanie.
My head's too small.
Your head's too
I got a
small.
really small head.
That's.
Small head, small brain.
No.
I've got a big head, but I don't think my head's full of brains.
No, obviously not.
It's definitely not. Bam. Perfect.
Alrighty. Yeah, it's not straight, this piece of wood.
You gonna whack it over a bit? Or are you happy?
It's this bit's not sitting up straight.
Yeah.
So it's flush and then it starts going out.
You wanna go over a bit?
Go over a bit towards me, yeah. There we go. Just so it overhangs it. Alright. You got it?
Alrighty. You flat couple in the middle there.
Put pilots first, or these?
What's up here?
Put a pilot first.
Alright, what one in?
I'm like Jesus.
You're Jesus.
Son of a carpenter. Safety
But
goggles
was
on.
Jesus the carpenter?
Was he?
I think Jesus was the carpenter.
Oh, was he?
Who was the carpenter?
Joe's not here today though.
Joseph was the carpenter, so Jesus was the carpenter.
Who never did the work? No,
They put the hard work, they put the hours
put the
in.
hard work in.
Joseph, you are not the father.
That's right.
That show's so funny.
Right, go your ass end up that way.
What?
That's not the magic.
But I've been watching you soar all day and it hasn't
What's
been
the
magic.
What's your magic here?
Well, I don't.
Oh. God damn it.
Tonight, our masked magician will unlock the secrets of this timeless trick on
Is that the magic?
That's the magic. Did you record that?
Oh, yeah. I,
You did record
I
it,
did
did you?
record. It's recording right now.
Hey?
I just
You ready?
don't find it
Yeah,
very
right, well.
magical. Magic.
That's magic, yeah?
Huh?
That's magic.
Yeah.
Really?
Keith Haring.
I think you should.
No, yeah, he really did. So see all the
I don't think you're allowed to say that.
no, he never worked by himself for years and years.
That's okay.
And then he wouldn't give credit, and now they refuse to give the kid money. Yeah.
Who's the kid?
Like 50,
What's the kid's name?
Can't remember.
It's not KEITH Haring.
It's not KEITH Haring. That's the point. Did you see this? I'll show you.
Oh, I don't think I should be filming this. I mean, everyone loves. Am I filming this?
So yeah, see like all the green bits there, like the graffiti fill, the OG graffiti fill?
Yeah.
It was the kid that came up with them. And,
The lines?
Yeah. KEITH Haring just did basic bit shit.
But with art, though, sometimes, Shane.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta collaborate.
To not give credit to the kid.
Well, so who's this kid?
They're literally kids. He hung out with graffiti kids.
Yeah.
He was just an art school wanker. Usual art school wankers claiming credit for they didn't do.
I was an art school wanker.
You definitely
I was
were,
the
weren't
graffiti
you?
kid in the class.
It's a rant
Yeah.
from Shane.
Alright, Shane, you nice and calm now?
Yeah, calm down, please. Just like the Beatles.
Let's come together.
What did you say?
Cut together.
Rough enough's good enough. That's when you start your dentist practice. When you start your dentist practice, that's what you should put up. Rough enough, good enough.
Rough grills. If I was doing a dentist, I'll be doing grills for people.
Grills, huh?
Grills.
Yeah.
That's where you make the money, Jacob.
Exactly.
Jacob's Grills, what happened if everyone's rocking up thinking you're a barbecue place?
Oh, we spelled grills with a Z, so people know it's cool.
That's how you know.
It might be a cool guy barbecue choice, you know, like the old people like me.
Oh, maybe I'll start
But you're not getting a grill, are you?
Maybe
Too old.
Like,
I'll shop front barbecues and then in the back over the counter do grills, yeah.
Under the table.
Yeah, in the cellar.
not do well. So that way either, because then you probably don't have to register with the council either, so, you know.
What's council? What does that mean?
Council? The council?
Yeah. I don't know what you're talking about.
You're going really well with your
business plan.
business plan.
Oh yeah.
Jacob's Grills. Yeah, it's the Jacobs. His name is Yakov's Grills.
No, Yakov's Grills.
Exactly, yeah.
Oh,
Yakov's.
you're the one making up
Yeah.
Business plan.
Yakov's Grills. I reckon I know where to put it too, High Point.
We'll do one in the middle.
Yeah, go for it.
High Point.
High Point, that's where Yakov's Grills should go.
Don't take away from Dr. John. I don't think Dr. John's doing grills. Is he?
Hey Shane,
Yeah.
I'm gonna do one right below that one because that's where the that pipe line runs in, the electricity line. So it's not a straight screw.
Like the teeth he'll be working on, not straight. What were you saying about Mr. Miyagi?
I said Mr. Miyagi, he doesn't have shit, man.
Bullshit. Remember, this is the basis for all the rest of the posters to go on top of it.
Yeah, I know. That's why you got me doing it, not yourself.
That's right. And I didn't really want to measure it. We'd work out how many A3s we're going to stick up.
Oh yeah, we didn't do that, eh? You don't know what they're doing.
On the bar inside.
Right.
What's going to go at the top?
Well, nothing now because we're out of posters. We'll fill it in anyway.
Yeah.
Put a photo of Leanne there.
Oh, someone doesn't like my photo here.
Oh, that one looks good.
Yeah, it does look really good. Fantastic work.
Thank you. Got the other big one up there, mate.
Oh, that was putting it?
Oh no, actually we'll keep that and we'll put it up in the bar.
Yeah. Fucking layer on top as we go.
Oh no, I cut my finger.
Careful. All right.
Right, you guys have got to go away.
Yeah, we got to go.
Take a desk.
So what's